Hello, my name's Colin, I'm from HDCCTV. This video is about our new range of HD IP network video recorders, the XRN range. Let's take a closer look. There are three models in the range. There's the 1609, the 2016 and the 3625. These numbers relate to the amount of cameras each recorder can accept. So the 1609 can accept 9 cameras at 1080p resolution and 16 at 720p. The 2016 is 16 1080p cameras or 20 720p's, and the 3625 is 25 cameras at 1080p or 36 at 720p. This video is about the Xvision XRN3625. This is the largest NVR from the new range. It's a professional HD IP network video recorder, and this will record and display up to 25 cameras at full HD 1080p or 36 cameras at 720p HD. And all cameras are displayed and recorded in real time, 25 frames a second. The unit is desktop or rack mountable and comes supplied with rack ears. And it will record constantly or when motion is detected, and it can be set to email you, make a bleep or record on any channels when the motion is detected. Remote viewing is possible using any Windows PC and the supplied software, which is central management software. If you're using an app, so an iPad, an iPhone or an Android device, you can use a free app called GooLink, which will let you to view your cameras remotely. There is a separate video showing you how to use this app. On the NVR itself, we have direct monitor connections for VGA and HDMI. You see we've also got alarm in-outs here. This one has 16 alarm inputs and 4 alarm outputs. We've also got an eSATA socket here. This is for an external hard drive array. Now internally you can store 8 hard drives, so a maximum of 32 terabytes using 4 terabyte drives. This will give you approximately 10 days of constant recording on all 25 cameras at 1080p, all recording at 25 frames a second. So to give you an idea of the storage space you'll need, one camera per day is 130 gigabytes. Okay, let's take a look at the graphic user interface and how to use this device. This is the screen you're greeted with when you first boot the recorder up. So you plug a USB mouse into the USB socket, and with the right button click, and then that brings up the on-screen menu. At the bottom there you can select Start and Log In, and that will open up the wizard, the configuration wizard. Admin and no password is default. Obviously language English. Next one would be your monitor resolution. So you can select the monitor resolution there. Next screen is your IP configuration, so you set your IP address of your recorder up. Make sure it's well away from your computers, make it 10 away, because that will then change the IP addresses afterwards to 1 above that. I'll show you that in a second. So you set your IP address, I'm putting 99 there. Subnet mask should be the same as your network settings, and this will be your router IP address. Okay, now it's asking if we want to set the IP addresses manually. We'll click no because this device has an automatic IP config setting. So we'll right click again and go to IP channel setting and auto, and that will then rename all of the cameras to different IP addresses, one above what you've just set it to. So I'll set mine to 99, the cameras will be 100, 101, 12, etc. Once that's done, it'll say it's saved, and then you click OK, and then the cameras will appear. Right, this is the 9-way view, and let's just do a double click and you'll see it goes to single screen, and then it pops up into full 1080 high resolution after a couple of seconds. There we go, you can see it going from low res to high res pretty quickly. Okay, next we're going to have a look at Playback. There's me, hello. So this is Playback. You use the right mouse key again, hit the playback button, and you've then got a timeline along the bottom. You can pick a camera, and that shows you any recordings along the bottom there, and you can click along that line, and that will show you the footage from that moment you're clicking along there. Makes it very easy to find recordings and any incidents in the day. Another camera. Again, just showing you different views. This is our 720 bullet camera, and that fence is over 50 metres away, so just showing you the sort of shot you get from this stuff. The Xvision XRN 2016 is available to buy now on our website, HDCCTV.co.uk, or you can call us on 01952 505 696. Thanks for watching.